Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Prime Minister, me need to meet with you. Me need a meeting with the Prime Minister, Rasta.
A few moments later.
Me no want no friendship from the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is my leader. Me is not him friend.
2,000 years later.
From my country. I don't want no friend from Andrew Holness. I don't even want Andrew Holness number people. I swear for my children them.
One eternity later.
Listen, me no man, I just to my family no want me in politics, you know. I truly don't want me in politics. I'm if I tell you.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People, more want to hear what one, cause the brother you are disgraced, especially to the entertainers. Come in see no entertainer fully invested like this way, I follow out per media every day. And I cuss out people and him not even know say much I say, brother, you mash up your brand, bro. You set up your brand. You supposed to choose the people them, dog. The people them. Remember this, cause if you got this up the opposition, remember so them people are go walk, them now go support you, bro. Them now go support you, brother. I don't know what you do to yourself, but look what I want people.
You see, who can't support PMP all days of no life and run back a mark holding the old slave pitney. The slavers them pitney. But I can't support my brother Andrew Holness. I can't support the black man. Worse me know say I lie when I tell upon him. Worse me sure say I lie when I tell upon him. Worse you don't give me no evidence of anything you want to say against him. Come on, man, you got to be crazy. Y'all got to be crazy. Let me not say tell lie. I tell Uno say the government give them 10 million for share for 100 people. And we can't find that. We hear Andrew Holness tell them what to do with the money. So like I say, Andrew Holness tell them in the parliament, say their duty is not to go and fix things when go through certain channels. The 10 million, the 5 million of the emergency is your get vex money.
What Mr. Vegas talk about? Get vex money. So yeah, tell me say government I'll give the opposition them or give the people them get vex money. $10 million. But Mr. Vegas, what $10 million can do? The place them with damage and water, groundwater and all of them turn in a swamp. Road mash and way down there so. What $10 million can do, brother? What $10 million can do, Mr. Vegas? Mr. Vegas, you're supposed to be in the real estate business. How much you pay for your house then? I mean, 1 or 10 million. So what 10 million for do for your whole community, brother? That is nothing. That is nothing, bro. See there? The government have JPS. Remember, you know? The CM money where them give the $10 million, right? Them a give JPS basically what them say $24 billion. And you have basically like 63 constituency, right? 63. If your sums that times 10 million, 600 odd million that. Seeing? 600 odd million that, brother. Against the too much billion we for the grid. Remember, not the full grid them have to pay for JPS, you know. That are just some. So you want to like the $10 million as some huge set of money, bro. So all of the road them were broke way. We forget to these light posts. Right? If them not build back how JPS are gonna fix these light. Remember say you have a one way in and one way out community, you know, where road gone down in a gutter, you know. How JPS without the road fix and all these places fix, how JPS are gonna reach to those places where one way in and the road broke gone? How them are gonna get the utensils and everything for fix? How them are gonna do that, brother? What do you must say, people?
Is the money where your mother wrap up in the socks? Is the money where your mother wrap up in the brassiere? The one that wrap up and tough down so and when your grandmother, my grandmother go in at the emergency money to give a little thing to go to school. And the emergency money, the rainy day money that and that man give them, you know, if you sure say the PMP no mean no good. The man says, this is pocket money. We not even go check how to spend it. They're gonna just trust you know, so we're not gonna do the right thing. I don't like doing them things here. But you know, it's in my heart. Never say it. I think I thief them want thief for 10 million, you know.
Mr. Vegas, I don't know what you really are doing, bro. I don't know what kind of accusation you try to set yourself. Because you are gonna get up and say a thief, Mark Golding them want thief $10 million, brother. That you try say, bro. So Mr. Vegas, what to the money them and the one bag of money them where the leading government I get? Right? And the misinformation them we are going. All of these millions and billions of dollars. Right? Vals forward out. And I say you are mistaking met and that the figure there. How you know forward? That's what I'm telling you. Brother, you don't know where you forward a be a crap you chat, you know. Because you are talking about 10 million and all of these millions where you not even sure if Mark them even get them money there yet. Cause where you talk of feelings, you know, bro. True. Yeah, Andrew maybe like bench and batty business, you know. See? So you forward out and I make one bag of talk just because you try to defend Andrew. First of all, you know, live a Jamaica, brother. And I be a hearsay I work with. Be a hearsay I work with, brother. Cause you now go off of the information them really. Be accusation you make off of the other side, fam. Which, brother, Andrew them a control the country, bro. It's not PNP. Right? You blame Mark Gold in them when Andrew them a deal with the thing. Them a control. So now go blame somebody when I have control? That's what I go do? This one no go wrong, fam.
Me didn't want to give 10 million. There is no way I don't give them want to give 10 million. I mean, I like doing them something, Bridget. Father God forgive me if I'm wrong. Me didn't want to give money. Andrew no give them more money. Andrew Holness, you have honest Jamaicans, give them the money, but then go down and go do it. Andrew Holness, you see people that will run up and down for you in election time? The people that will out to fight battle for your days and night? Like Karen Cross them and Michelle them and Nuts them and Lashika them and Chuck them and Chopper them and Winner them. Call them and give them some work. Call Goody them and Travi them and whoever can leave where they are. I can do a second job. Call them. Prime Minister, we need to meet with you. You need to meet with the Prime Minister, Rasta.
You see, like people are like you, brother. The country would have sink. Me I tell you. You. So you want government to give some regular people or nobody when I have the IQ, when I have the system brain, when I have the control. If you just give them money if you go do things that you want. Eh? Bro, me I tell you, Mr. Vegas. I wrong road you go down, brother. Wrong road. Me understand say Andrew, are you right hand? Yeah, you defend him to the T because yeah, maybe, you know, make certain things pass through for you and thing. But I have to tell you, brother, you have play this politics thing and run some accusation and all of these things. All me have to say, no, bro, don't make PNP win back no election again, you know, because you get knocked. That's all me have to tell you, bro, because you set up yourself as an artist. Bro, be an artist, bro. You're not a politician, brother. You try put yourself in a politics, bro. And you're an artist. Me not see no other artists that do them thing, bro. Every day you get up, Andrew this, Andrew that. You want all meeting. What you want? You do music or you play politics? What you do, bro? What you want? Be MP? What you try do? Eh? What do you want to say?
People, me not enough of myself with the Prime Minister, you know. Because me no want no friendship from the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is my leader. Me is not him friend. He's my leader. He's a leader for my country. I don't want no friend from Andrew Holness.
Brother, then if you don't want no friend, then why you so invested then? Why you tell man say give you money and give this per people your money and I say don't give back this man no money? What you mean? You don't want to be no friend. Why you so invested? Why it's so important to you? Everything what people say about the government, you run out. If you and the government are no friend. You are the only artist me see though go up on conference, right? And they on internet a back government every day. Bro, you're not for the people, bro. You're artist, brother, you're not for the people. The people them support you, the poor people them support you. Either them are JLP or PNP. The people them support you over the years before you start ranting at this foolish politics thing. Over the years, bro, and you know, I got there, DC people them, you say, yo, I want if a thief, them want thief money, all of them things, bro. You put yourself in a rabbit hole where you don't want to go, brother. That's all me have to tell you.
I don't even want Andrew Holness number, people. I swear by my children them.
That if you not have it already,
People link there with us, say women are going to link the Prime Minister. Mr. Fiwa, he's my leader. But we need a meeting. We need a meeting, man.
You say you're the man and a friend. Why you need meet? Why you need meeting, brother? You're the man and a friend. So why you want meet with the man? If you say you don't want a friend for the man, why you want meeting, bro? I want to that mad. Vegas are mad man, you know. People, of how long now me I see the man around for the media. I say, yo, me see that clip and I say, yo, me have to address that brother, yeah. Cause I feel like he might go through a mental breakdown. Me I tell you. It's like, I don't know if him obsessed with Andrew Holness or what, but it's like, this man can't just easy and just lock him out, bro. Because you are run so for your next man, bro. What you are gain from it, brother? You not gain nothing. You're entertainer, bro. You not gain nothing. You feel like say you just make people hate you more and more, brother. Until them just say, yo, cancel you.
Top give. See how rusty not thief the money. I'm kissing them. They're not gonna thief the money. Cash and them are gonna thief the money. Play Minister Housing, stop try play NWA, and then out there say you give them 10 million for share. Can you imagine you get this to partner? These are the people who call the Prime Minister criminal, you know, and thief, you know. Prime Minister. Andrew Holness need to stop ramp with the PMP them. Andrew Holness and the Jamaican Labour Party member of parliament them we come like them afraid of the PMP them. This is a time when you can't sit down and play nice guys and nice girls with the PMP them.
But Mr. Vegas, what you mean? Andrew them for stop playing nice. You feel like them even play nice with Mark Gold in them, brother. It's like something really wrong with them, you know. Who are the speaker of the house? Not the Prime Minister wife. Which parliament in this world, any government body in this world, you ever see a husband and a wife are run the government system? You know, see a full corruption that. So, if when the PNP them say, yo, this can't go on, she can't go up there and everything, and them still put her up there, you feel like say that I play nice. When the people them in there and can't even talk, and the wife say, yo, lock off mic, next, you feel like say something nice that. When the people them ask the question, how the money go, how the money are sorted out, with the same people them come out and give misinformation and say money not touch, enough money are come in, them have to go borrow money. These are the same questions what the people them ask. But when the people them ask, a bad mind them bad mind. Right? When everybody's supposed to work together. But uno give figures, uno na explain, and just say, yo, me just go just do this. And that's the problem. But you see, you know, you so invested in a something where you don't know. You don't know. Because you not do no investigation. You know, in no politics. I be a ESA you work with.
The PMP want to stop everything Andrew Holness is trying to do for this country to recover. And the sooner Andrew Holness get this, the better it is for him. The PMP main objective is to destroy Andrew Holness. And they are trying to use this disaster to achieve that.
So weird there. So weird there. Yeah, Jamie say, I'm not going in my PNP them make the hurricane come damage Jamaica now. That's what you try to say? Cause them, you say this, them use this hurricane thing for discharge, make it seem like they are PNP with them cover people. Them don't say Andrew, whatever have something to do with this. You understand? Remember people them don't say same have city for bill and all of them something there. So me don't know how this narrative spin now. You know? All me see PNP want, right? Them just want to know the information because you know the same people them say the money. Remember, you know, we as citizens we can see what going on, you know. See? Remember, you know say enough money are coming in, right? You know say you know no sight of the amount of money we are coming in. See? You know say you know borrow much million from IMF. But you know say yo, you know not touchy money them we come in for the relief. So what the problem is, brother? These are the things the opposition them want to know. What go on? That's all. That's all, you know. But no, just want to do anything. That's the problem. Come watch everything. Watch everything we are going. in a parliament and on the press brief them and me have to shape me. I choose some Jamaican to see what I want. I tell you that. Cause brother, my goal in them now run the country. I know them a run it. Andrew them a run it. So right now, Uno have the full control. The full control. If anybody for blame for the country right now are in this crisis right now, Andrew and them a run the thing. And them a pay the PNP them. You understand? And them a pay them, you know. Yeah.
The same PNP. We run to about 28 bank account, and the same PNP we bring all man from Africa now. We talk about them, they want meet to them and him never want meet. The same triple X them. You can't get PNP things. Triple X going to store fire and go do petty thief. You can't just be a belly. When you see him, little bit of blood, then just must fight. They must catch her teeth, Brazil. Are we the people them we care about this country and Holness, we start give them money, they go do the little emergency thing we might talk about. Put me to work. Me will left music and make certain so me go do some work, I'll fix back where you want me. Me will work all free.
What you mean? No, Mr. Vegas, you care? Eh? You care because the way you're talking about, brother, you one-sided right now. Now. So basically, if I feel you alone, if you are Prime Minister right now, the way you talk, you say the Prime Minister not to give them no money. That means that make half percentage of the people who vote with PNP that dead and suffer. You're not for the people, bro. So what you say mean for the people when you don't tell the people them say, yo, don't give them no money. You understand? You don't bash the PNP them, brother. You're not for the people. You as an artist supposed to say, yo, you stand with the people them. What really are going? What really are going? You not stand with the people them, bro. Yeah, you stand with your interest, bro. You want to get in a politics, brother. Right now, if you run for one minister or something, you're gone, brother. That's the way you day out your vent for, bro. You want to do politics.
Just so the money not going at the PNP them and because when election time come, them are going to say you never did give them none. Clean up where you go on Jamaica and put no money on the PNP and Holness. Find ordinary citizens and make we give a tally of how every dollar spent.
Yo, Mr. Vegas, you're sick. You're sick, brother. People, Mr. Vegas say, Holness give regular people, regular citizen. Regular citizen, billions of dollars. If sort out, imagine, Andrew say I'm going to give out $150 million to regular citizen in some community. What you think that I go do, brother? You feel, you amount of hand that I go pass through, money I go over there, so this I go split, this a family. Bro, what you say, brother? You think say you just give somebody money when you know if you budget, no know if you calculate, no know. Bro, you're sickening, bro. You're not business about the country, brother. If you are going and Holness give regular people money where I know everybody have the IQ for the money management and all of these things, and you want Andrew give regular citizen, brother. Mr. Vegas, you're sick, dog. Me never know say I saw your brain said.
Everybody will collect $100 from we say write your name, you so a sign. If you get 10 sheet of zinc, sign. If me give you 10 bag of fertilizer, sign. We have to take a different approach. It is, listen me, if there's no law for that, find one law.
Your man attack. This a man ya come on with you and say, yo, government do good and all of them something. Then look at now. He might tell the government what to do. Imagine him say the government do good and this, but now he might tell the government what to do. You know, in a sense, brother.
At times of disaster, no law no keep. No law no keep. You already declare Jamaica a disaster zone. Find one law. Next that uno find one. Stop give PNP uno money up the road and clean up the street. They must get $7,000 to clean up the street. And then people you give the money, Andrew Holness. Give them people the money directly, Andrew. I will pay you they are Kingston where I work. I will pay you there Jamaica where I work. I will pay you to that glad for that little 3-month work, that little 2-month work. I have to put that thing in their pocket. Tap the PNP money. Jamaica that me you say next 10 million I give out for every constituency now, you know. To clean up the place, you know.
Mr. Vegas, stop what you do, brother. All me hear you say, ear say. You say your next $10 million. You ear say. Bro, what do you, brother? What do you? Yeah, check. Me no, you look like you're done with artists. I realize a politics thing I did, you know. But, brother, remember say you're out there in the place. Yo, this man don't even live at Jamaica and I make so much talk. You not even live at Jamaica for the on the ground for see nothing where I go on, brother. What the problem? Oh, you have so much talk. How much artists are give away things? You so invested and you tell the government say don't give PNP nothing. Right? But we not see you or nobody who you link with, you are give out nothing to the people them. You not even give out, we not see nothing I give out to your own people, but you tell the government say don't give this. So me not understand that, brother. So Andrew them to keep the whole of the money. When these people are do them work and thing, that you try to say, it's a Vegas, something wrong with your dog, me I tell you. Yeah, man.
You have to give some people like Goody Lord. Goody say, sir, yeah, sir. Yeah, Goody, you want to give another work, they supervise. Me say, you give me 10 million, me go to town and buy some light. You know, look like them your droughts up. Me know people that come from France. Me say, yo, you can't bring no 100 and light there for me. And me know say it clear free. Send 100 and light there for me. I go send the money a little more. Me I go Western Union, I go change out some money. And I go send you Western Union money. And when you buy 100 and light there for me. Me say me lend light. Me I say, you get back light, let me back light. The guy around the so give light. I just listen me no man, I just do my family now I'm in the politics, you know. I true know I'm in the politics. And me fi tell you.
People, Andrew, yeah man, give me some Vegas your $10 million now. Yeah man, give me. I tell the people, that brother, yeah, a lot of people lose respect for him. Mr. Vegas. Him now sound like a artist or somebody for the people. He must sound like a very emotional, selfish person. So me see it. It's all for himself. Yeah. And he's an entertainer. The same people must support. Before all this invested into politics, right? The same people who must not forget this. They might same people who usually support him music. But look at now. Through his musical career kind of wash up now. Yeah. Him not really business about that part there. Right? So that's why now you see him well invested. He want to turn MP. See that's why I'm telling him say yo, give him money and that him want invest about I show my family now wine and politics. Move for me as a brother. But your family now wine and politics. Cause I show Andrew them now allow you. Them now want cause you chat too much dog. You up on the internet with your chat some one bag of shaggy bro. You think them want you forward come tear down them brand? Eh? Andrew only say nah go on nothing brother, you nah gain nothing. You no worthy bro. You're a man and you up on the internet like every day. I chat one bag and me no see no other dancehall artists. I do them thing bro. You will see them go up on the stage for any party and do them business and sing song and do dub. But you bro, you're fully invested brother. That's shameful dog. You're artist bro, poor people support you brother. And you there this is same people who support you bro. Eh? Or you expect God to look on somebody like you. So enough of people not rate you brother. You understand? And if you keep on, you'll get a ricochet. I tell you, you'll get a ricochet, brother. Yeah, them always say when you dig one hole, dig two. Yeah, but people don't know now one media facts, you know. Big up on yourself.